I'm Teacher Mike, and today we are talking about 8 useful and natural English expressions that people actually use in real life. First, it's been ages, or it's been forever. This basically means it has been a very long time. Sometimes we use it as a full sentence by itself. For example, it's so good to see you. It's been ages. And sometimes we use it as part of a longer sentence. For example, it's been ages since the last time I saw you. Help yourself is a friendly way of saying, please take whatever you want. You don't need to wait for me to give it to you. If there are a bunch of chocolates on your desk, and someone asks if they can have some, you can reply, sure, help yourself. Be my guest is a friendly way of saying, I give you permission to do that. And we often use this when the other person wants something or wants to do something that we do not want or want to do ourselves. Maybe you have a task at work that you really don't want to do, but you have a coworker who does want to do it. If they ask you if they can do the task instead of you, you could reply, sure, be my guest. That basically means, yeah, I'm happy to give it to you. That's too bad. Doesn't usually mean that's very bad. In fact, we usually use it for things that are only a little bit bad, not for things that are very bad. It basically means, I understand how you feel, and I am sorry that that happened, or that is unlucky. It's a way of expressing sympathy or understanding. Maybe your friend tells you that they can't come to your party. You could reply, aw, that's too bad. We were really looking forward to seeing you. To keep an eye on something basically means to watch it to make sure that nothing bad happens to it. If you are at a bar and you need to use the restroom, you might ask your friend to keep an eye on your bag while you are in the restroom. That basically means watch it to make sure that no one steals it. I don't see why not. Or just, why not? Basically means, that sounds like an okay idea. I don't see any problems with it. And this is often used to give permission. Maybe your employee asks you if they can leave work a few minutes early to go to a doctor's appointment. You might say something like, well, you've finished all your tasks, so yeah, I don't see why not. Go for it is another way of saying, sure, go ahead, you have my permission. However, we often use this one when someone wants to try something. Maybe you ask your boss for permission to try doing something a different way. They might reply, yeah, go for it, I trust you. And finally, cut it out, or cut that out. This is an informal way to ask someone to stop doing something, especially when the thing that they are doing is rude or annoying. Maybe one of your team members keeps doing something that is really annoying during a meeting. Your boss might say to them, please cut that out. So yeah, those are 8 common expressions that we actually use in real life. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.